arrow starts pointing north. You rotate it 90-degree clockwise and then 180-degree clockwise. Where does it point now? After the first 90-degree clockwise rotation, it points from north to east. Then after 180-degree clockwise rotation, it points east to west. So the final destination is west, and the correct answer here is choice A. You invest $100 into a startup. It doubles and you cash out half. The remaining amount later triples. What is your total value at the end? Let's break it down. When your initial $100 investment doubles, it becomes $200. You cash out half, you take $100, which leaves $100 invested. That remaining $100 then triples and becomes $300. In total, you have $100, which is cashed out, plus $300, which is final investment, which would be equal $400. And correct answer here is choice C, 400. You're presented with the sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices: A, 6, B, 7, C, 8, or D, 9. Can you try to solve it on your own? The solution here is simple, but only few can see it. The next number is calculated by adding 2 previous numbers. For example, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8, and the correct answer here is choice C, 8. Do you have a curious mind? Make sure to continue the sequence and post your answer in comments. Take a close look at this 3x3 matrix. Numbers in the first row are 1, 2, and 4. Second row has numbers 2, 3, and 5. And then the third row only has 2 numbers, 2 and 6. And the missing number you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices: A9, B12, C20, or D27. Can you solve it and choose the right answer? The trick pattern here is very simple, but it's hidden in plain sight for most. Instead of rows, we need to focus on columns. In fact, we need to multiply the 2 numbers at the top of the column to get to the number at the bottom. Take a look at the first column. 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. In the second column, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. And I think you know what the missing number is, don't you? 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. And the correct answer here is choice C, 20. Consider this amazing pyramid. In the top row, it has numbers 8 and 13. And then the bottom row has numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5. Your goal is to calculate the missing number on the top, and your choices for the answers are A, 17, B, 18, C, 19, or D, 21. Can you solve it on your own and choose the right answer? The pattern here is very simple, but it's only available for those who view it from the right perspective. But I'm pretty sure you're one of those people. Take a close look at the bottom 2 rows, especially the numbers on the left. 1 plus 2 equals 3. In fact, the number in the top row is calculated by adding the 2 numbers directly beneath it. Don't believe me? 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's add the third row so you can see clearly. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 5 plus 8 equals 13. And you know what time it is, right? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 8 plus 13 equals 21. And the correct answer here is choice D, 21. A train leaves city A at 2 p.m., traveling 60 miles per hour towards city B. At 3:30 p.m., a second train leaves city B towards city A on the same track at 90 miles per hour. The cities are 240 miles apart. At what time do the trains meet? By 3:30 p.m., the first train has been traveling for 1.5 hours at 60 miles per hour. So it has gone 1.5 multiplied by 60 equals 90 miles. That leaves 240 minus 90 equals 150 miles between the trains. Together, they close this gap at 60 plus 90 equals 150 miles per hour. So it takes exactly 150 divided by 150, which would equal 1 hour to meet. Can you guess 1 hour after 3:30? It's 4:30 p.m. And the correct answer here is choice B, 4:30 p.m. You're presented with three circles. First circle has numbers 1, 2, and 4. Second circle has numbers 3, 5, and 9. And then the third circle has numbers 4 and 6, and then the third number is missing. You need to calculate the missing number out of four possible choices: A, 11, B, 13, C, 14, or D, 19. Can you try to solve it on your own? The solution here is rather simple, but very few people can see it right away. Let's look at the first circle. The calculations here are 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. In fact, the bottom right number is found by adding the bottom left number and the top number and then incrementing by 1. Second circle number is calculated as 3 plus 5 plus 1 and equals 9. And then the third circle number is calculated as 4 plus 6 plus 1 and equals 11. And the correct answer here is choice A, 11. Take a close look at these amazing shapes which form the expression. First shape has numbers 1, 1, and 2, and the result equals 3. Second shape has numbers 2, 2, and 4, and the result equals 12. Third shape has numbers 3, 3, and 5, and the result is something you need to calculate and select your answer out of four possible choices: A, 20, B, 22, C, 24, or D, 34. Can you try to solve it on your own and choose the right answer? The pattern here is simple but hidden in the plain sight for most people. But I'm pretty sure you're the one who actually discovered it. Let's take a close look at the first expression. To get to the result, multiply the bottom left number by two specific numbers in the triangle and then add both products together. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 equals 1 plus 2 and equals 3. Let's switch to the second shape. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 equals 4 plus 8 and equals 12. And now you know how to find the missing number. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 5 equals 9 plus 15 and equals 24. So the correct answer here is choice C, 24. Take a look at these three shapes. First shape has numbers 2, 1, 2, and 7. Second shape has numbers 3, 1, 2, and 12. Third shape has numbers 4, 1, 2, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of four possible choices: A, 18, B, 19, C, 20, or D, 28. Can you solve it and choose the right answer? While the answer is straightforward, only a handful of people actually figure it out. I truly hope you're one of them. Take a close look at the first shape. 2 squared plus 1 plus 2 equals 7. In fact, what you need to do is square the number at 8 o'clock position, then add the two numbers at the top, and the result equals the number at the 5 o'clock position. Let's verify it with the second shape. 3 squared plus 1 plus 2 equals 12. If you look at the original question, you can notice some interesting patterns. Number at 8 o'clock position increases by 1. You see numbers 2, 3, and 4. Numbers on the top stay the same, 1 and 2 in all three shapes. And you can reasonably suspect that the number at the 5 o'clock position would increase by 5. 7, 12, and then would be 17. Guess what? It's not one of the existing choices. So what is the right answer? 4 squared plus 1 plus 2 equals 19. And the correct answer here is choice B, 19.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.